know these brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want one? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard?
Oh, hello guys, you're viewing King Tech. So today we are going to unbox
FireBoltt
Hulk. So you can see the box and it's very attractive because of white and black mixer. It's feel like modern watch and you can see the box all the side. Here is the watch and Virat Kohli. Here are some features and this is an AMOLED display 1.78 inches and 100 plus sports modes, Bluetooth calling and voice assistant, and the same features all watches have, but this also has always on display, and this is a box. So let's unbox it. So guys, now we can see the watch first itself. Now let's take this side. FireBoltt branding and this Poco pin charger. This is the Poco pin charger. And the user manual and the subscriptions. So let's keep it side. Now let's take the watch. This is the important thing. Now let's take this. Please charge the watch to 100% before first use. So now let's see the watch, and this has a soft straps 22 and these are replaceable, and this is the back side, but back side this is plastic. So guys, now let's take this one, and this is a sensor. You can see that it didn't go. So this is a sensor, and here is the branding, and here we will charge, and here is the mic, and here is a speaker. So when you tie it, so it will be very comfortable. This side mic and this side the speaker, so you can hear it well. And this side it's metal, and this full flat surface this side also, and there is one button. Red stripe is going center. So this is a nice design. So this is the display, AMOLED display. So now let's on this. FireBoltt. So the branding name has came. So the Virat Kohli has came. So now this side messages, settings, this menu, and split screen. So this is the watch, and if I say this watch is very nice for the price, and this side also metal, and this is an AMOLED display. So the vessels, if I say about the vessels, these sides are very small and this side is slightly okay, and the display is also nice. This is the UI, the phone call, everything is there in this watch. It's not finishing. And if you press here only, the menu will open, this menu, and this honeycomb menu. So that's a nice thing. You can see everything here. Now let's go to tops, and the charge is full. The Bluetooth is paired. This is vibration mode and torch light. Cinema theater mode, theater mode. So I will keep it off. And this is the brightness, and it has 550 nits brightness. So you can go outside and so you can see this. So this is the weather and settings. Now in settings, display, auto sleep, menu, brightness, and watch faces, and this ringing mode, vibration. 1 minute, it's not coming, nothing. Oh, in this mode only vibration will be there because nothing is coming when I tap it. Low power mode, theater mode, phone call, you can enable or disable it, because when it's not in use you can off it because it will take so much power. And call reset, AI assistant, screen lock, and this is the screen clock. So you can see the unlock and digital This also support always on display, so I will keep analog, no, digital. Okay, find my phone and system about. So this is about the settings of the watch. So guys, now it has went to the always on mode display. So when I tap here and again I tap here, only it will come, because I don't know, because it will show only like that. And now let's go to the steps, and here it will show everything, max, minimum, how much calories you have burned, how much distance, and today's data, and the sleep was 10 hours. My brother slept so only, literally. Restful light, okay, only restful 41 minutes. Okay, he's not sleeping well, I think so. And this is the heart rate, we will check it. And this is SpO2 phone call, this also we will check. And the torch, and this is the timer and period. Okay, we will check this also. Reminder, that's for the reminder and messages, weather, breathe, player, breathe, like feet tap, focus on your breath. The vibration is also there, guys. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, vibration also there, so it's nice. And this is a music player, and there's an animation. The nice animation. And this is a stopwatch calculator. Yes guys, this watch has a calculator. 35 plus 5, the answer is 40, but you will say okay, the answer is 40. Now let's do a big sum into 0. What we do? Now we will do 30 into 10. Okay, 30 into 10. 300 will be the answer. Okay, 300 I know. But now let's calculate this much big sum into this. Answer is 0. So guys, I think so it can't handle big numbers. Now I will type once again. This time I have put seconds. No, sorry, plus. So now let's divide and see. Okay, it can come on point number also. So the calculator is okay, but it can do it can't do the long multiplication. Yes, it's again showing 0. Okay, now this is the camera shutter. Alarm, you can off it from here, but you can change any settings from this watch. You should go to the app itself. And exercise records, AI voice, and this is the main. And you can see the pictures, and this is the picture, mainly this and that Virat Kohli picture. This is the main picture of this watch. So guys, now let's test the heart rate BPM. So 1 minute. Okay, so this is the heart rate BPM. Now let's check it. Okay, this one passed. And now let's check our table's heart rate. Last time Ninja Bell showed something 70 something. So this time FireBoltt Hulk, I think so they have improved the sensor. Now let's check. Again. What? So guys, I think so this is a glass. This green light is going through the glass, I think so. Now we will test in this box and see. Let's test in this box and see. No. Okay, this FireBoltt is not improving their sensor, I think so. It's again showing 67. Okay, now let's test the subscriptions. Oh sorry. Okay, this time okay it detected, but in this box it's not detecting. Okay, it's measuring now also. Now let's check the SpO2. Oh, wait. SpO2 here. It's checking the SpO2 for the box. How much oxygen is present in the how much oxygen? 96% oxygen is present in this box. Now let's check our tables. I don't know why it's showing like this. In this glass, this green light is going through the glass, so I think so. Some error is there. Now let's check like this in the air. Okay, but in the air it's passing. Now let's wear it and see. FireBoltt, every watches have the same problem, I think so. But this is stylish watch, you can also see that fully black. Again we will test for me. And this is not a medical instrument, so you don't want to believe in this. 97, okay. Heart rate. Okay, 83, okay. Okay, 83, 82. Okay, now, so these are the sensors. So guys, I have called my friend. So it have dialed. Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay guys, now I have called my friend and they can hear and you can hear the speaker. Can you speak something? Or hello? You can say hello.
Hello?
So the speaker quality is also nice and here you can down the volume and up and down. So let's rise it. Oh, it's not rising. Okay, now you can change into the phone and then you can change into the watch also and you can mute. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? So guys, now I think so you can't hear. Now you can hear me.
Yes.
So the mute button is also working. So okay, bye, thank you.
Thank you.
So okay, he entered the call. So this is the phone call. So guys, now let's test the find phone thing. Okay, it's working. So now let's go and to the music control. I'm sorry, music control, where is here. So guys, you can just hear the music and it's coming from the watch. Here this side is coming from the watch. I think so you can hear me and you can hear the music, I think so. Now I came to the okay. So the speaker is nice and good quality speaker they have used and I can hear the music very well. Now let's stop it. Okay, the player also it's working correctly and it's nice. So now let's test the voice assistant also. Where is it? 1 minute. So guys, for activating this your phone should be unlocked. Yes. Hello. No, it's nothing is coming. Hello. Yes, it's coming. Hello.
I can wait.
Yeah, you wait. So guys, the Google is also working correctly. Sometimes if your phone is lagging or sometimes like that, so the voice assistant can work sometimes. So yes, this is about the AI voice. So guys, did you like the watch? Did you like the video? So like and subscribe. Guys, your King Techie signing out.